Hi, Gurpreet here. Looking to kickstart your career in construction with building information modeling? Here are the essential skills you will require to have a successful BIM career. Firstly, proficiency in BIM software such as Autodesk Revit, Navisworks, and AutoCAD is must. These are the backbone for every BIM workflows. Secondly, collaboration is quite essential. Since BIM is all about teamwork, effective communication and ability to work with different teams is key to have a successful BIM career. Thirdly, technical skills like 3D modeling, clash detection, and quantity takeoff are the skills which are highly valued. So, strong understanding of construction principles and technologies and terminologies are highly valued. Fourth, BIM projects sometimes needs creative solution to complex problems. So being able to solve the problems is highly valued skill in BIM industry. Lastly, adaptability is the part of the game. In ever evolving construction industry, you need to be well equipped with latest BIM trends and technologies to stay competitive. So, in conclusion, by honing these skills, you will embark to get on the successful BIM career. See you guys in the next videos.